Ladies and gentlemen, I got a good news for all of y'all. Okay, so if you have been trading Memecoin for a while now, and then maybe you've been rock pulled many times and you still have the coins, the meme coins in your wallet, even without value, or they've been devalued or rock pulled. Maybe you have a lot of them in your wallet and you didn't know how to make them pump again. I mean, they have been literally rock pulled. What you're gonna do right now is I'm gonna give you a secret tool, a website that will help you recover those meme coins, recover the capital back. So for instance, if you invested 1 Solana, you're gonna get at least, even if it's not up to 1 Solana, you're gonna get at least 0.5 or 0.8 Solana back. At least it's better than getting none. So that means all the tradings you've done, none of them is lost. So there is a recovery tool that can help you get a refund of the meme coins that you traded and lost money in the process. So this tool is very powerful. I just discovered that and I tried it on my own and it worked in my first account, my first wallet. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start this thing afresh so that you see how it's done on another wallet. Okay, so what you're gonna do is to paste the link here where you see here. You paste the link here. When you copy the link in the description, ensure it is a link in the description. It's customized. Copy the link there, head over to your Phantom wallet and then paste it on your browser and then connect your wallet. This is my wallet already connected here. When you're done with that, don't be afraid to connect, it's real, okay? So when you do that, you will see where you see burn. Ensure it's showing burn here, and then you will see how much you will have to claim. This is the one I have to claim. I don't have much on my wallet. Let me show you something right now. If I go home, you will look at I don't know how many coins I have here that I've not been able to sell. Maybe it was rock pulled. I don't have any. Okay, the wallet I had, I already converted that one, so I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay, so I'll go back here, and then what you're gonna do is to click on select tokens to burn. Okay, click on select tokens to burn, and then it will show you the tokens you have that have been rock pulled. You hear what I'm saying? It will show you the tokens you have that have been rock pulled. If you can read this closely, see select items to burn. Burn is basically closing token accounts with balance. Okay, so what's going to happen now is you will now click on select all. If you have 3 of them, if you have 5, if you had 10, or if you have 15 of the coins you bought that rock pulled that didn't do well, you can swap them back in the original money that you invested. Okay, so what this does is it will burn the tokens and return your money back to you. You understand what I'm saying now? So many people have a lot in their portfolio, a lot of assets in their portfolio, and they're not able to recover the money that they invested. Okay, so there are coins that will go down that will never come up again. Never. So those kind of coins, you will select them. If you know there are some coins that are going to do well, you leave them. The ones that have gone, you select them, and then you click on select or maybe deselect some of them that you don't want. They will all appear here. Okay, yeah, they will all appear there, and then you can click on select all. When you click on select all, then you click on confirm selection right here. Okay, when you're done with that, it will take you to another interface, and then you will click on burn selected tokens. Listen, I'm not able to do this now because I already done it in another wallet. Okay, another wallet. That's why I'm not able to do it, but I needed to do something that is more concise and practical so that you will know what to do. You know how to navigate the site and know how to recover your tokens back. So if this video is helpful and you've been able to recover part of your investment, kindly like, share, comment. Comment if you have received your coin. If you have received your money, please comment, drop it in the comment section, let others see and be encouraged to go ahead and grab their tokens back. Your Solana can be refunded. Okay, so this is about the video. If you're new to this channel, we talk about how to make money online. You show people what to do online to make money. There are a lot of videos we post and they are very, very valuable. So please do well to subscribe, share the videos, comment, like, share. Most importantly, turn on the notification bell so that each time we post a new video, you'll be the first to know. So thanks for watching. Once again, I am with 3Bro. The link will be in the description below. Copy the link and do what needs to be done. All right, thanks for watching. See you in another video.